Hi, I'm Jasmine Haley. I am a nationally awarded speaker, podcaster, pro educator, and I'm a biz strategist. And today I want to talk about the main reason why your business isn't growing. Now, I know what I'm sharing isn't an easy listen. It may cause some of us to clutch our pearls, but here's the bottom line. You are the leader of your business. If you have decided to start your business, to grow our business, you are the leader of that business. And therefore, you are responsible for the growth or the decline of your business. So if you feel that currently, right now in your business, you're at a standstill, you have thrown all the darts possible, and yet it's never reaching your actual goal, then you need to do an honest assessment of your business. And trust me, I've been there. We all have our God-given talents. We have all of this give and love and compassion to give to the world. And yet we feel so busy, so overwhelmed, doing all the things, and nothing is truly leading us towards our goals or feeling like we're really making that true measure of impact in our business as it grows and it's profitable. I get it. I've been there, and I've had to actually sit down with myself and be honest, or what they call the come to Jesus moment, right? And so what I want each of you to do is really take the time to see, have you tried everything? Where are you spending your time every single day? What can you eliminate from your day-to-day task? And if you're really ready to get down to the nitty-gritty of how to scale your business without the overwhelm, I am inviting you to join me on my very special, yay, Scale Your Biz Workshop. We're going to be covering these main topics, and I'm going to read them out to you. And if any one of those topics excites you, or if you know that you're truly in need of that, I invite you to come in. I'm going to be doing a workshop January 18th through the 22nd, and it's going to be action-packed. It's going to be tangible stuff that you can do today to scale and grow your business. And this is especially important and for those entrepreneurs that are at that 4-figure per month revenue, and they're just not quite at the area right now where they're ready to scale. They don't have the support to really get there, or they're just kind of confused on really where to start. So the topics that we're going to be talking about is, number 1, the 4 myths of building confidence in scaling your business. Number 2, 3 ways to streamline and connect your systems. Number 3, strategies to amplify your business now. And 4, developing the CEO mindset. I am, along with my team, have created a special week for us to be able to dive into this content, for you also to have accountable homework, y'all. That's right. There's going to be homework and things that you can implement as soon as you learn it. And that will help you really create that roadmap so that you can serve in that CEO role in your business. So I hope to see you there. You can find out more information by clicking the link in my bio or going to jasminehaley.com/courses, and you'll be able to sign up there. All right. I hope to see you there, and take care. Bye.